So to make this run, it's got a 40-volt lithium battery. You press this and you press this at the same time. You can't do it with one hand. It takes two hands, okay? So if you want to move this, you can change this angle on this too. But we're going to leave it right at 0. Now, before you do anything, you want to take the guard off, okay, just like that. And now we can go ahead and we can start cutting. So we grab this, squeeze it, and then squeeze this. And that's what makes it go. Let me show you again. Here it is. You ready? I squeeze the top. You see it clicking? And then the bottom. And that's how I cut. All right, let's cut some stuff. Let me show you. I'll leave that there for a second. So this is what I've got to cut up here. You guys see that? So I'm going to cut through this with that. And yeah. And it takes two hands, so I can't film with the other. So you guys are going to have to watch it from back here. And then once I get up here, I'll go ahead and cut it. Just like that. And I got to get a little bit higher to get to these other ones, you see? Yep, that's that. That did not take too much. Only a couple minutes of my time. Again, to get it going, both at the same time. Done. Not bad, huh? Maybe here, right? Okay. So that's the Ryobi with the 40-volt lithium battery, and it's a good long one. And as you can see, we got it pretty clean. Nicely done. So just be careful out there when you're doing this stuff. You don't want to fall off the ladder. Look, wouldn't have that. Make sure that stuff's all locked out. Yeah, bam, done. Usually when I'm done, what I'll do is I'll get this battery off of here. And to do that, I've got to get in here and squeeze it. So I'll reach my hand in like this, and I'll take my thumb and I'll push it, and it comes right off. And now this thing can't hurt me because it doesn't have any power. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to get your guard back on there. I should probably oil this thing. But yeah, now it's ready to be put away. Bam, done. All right.